Early this morning, a young North Eastside mother faced her fears and then some to deliver a bundle of joy. Meet Evangeline Beatrix Grove, a baby with her own timeline, one that defied the predictions of the doctors and her own mother.
Her due date was not until the 21st. I think she wanted to see the blizzard. She didn't want to miss out.
Her mother, Mariah, planned to have a home birth, just one not this early. Late last night, she contacted the midwives and then her mother, but all by herself. Her contractions continued until 2 a.m., and then her water broke, and mother and daughter were going to have to go it alone.
The second she came out, she was crying. She was pink right away. She's already nursed multiple times. I had no tearing, luckily. We couldn't have asked for a better outcome.
The bedroom had become the delivery room, and grandmother, snowbound yesterday in Jamestown, heard her granddaughter's first cries at 3:20 this morning. And today, great-grandma was able to share in the moment.
I think we lose sight of the fact how natural this is, because women are trained to go to the hospital. And as long as everything was fine, she did it all by herself.
Mariah Grove had never planned on going to a hospital, and she never planned on giving birth all by herself, and she didn't. She had all the help she needed from Evangeline Beatrix, who now will forever be known as Evie.
Once the water broke and I realized this was it, all fear went away. I realized that it wasn't going to help me, and that we were just had to be a team and do this together, so we did it.
Evie is 20 inches long and weighed in at 7.5 pounds, and tonight both are doing just fine. And rest assured that today marks the start of many great things that a mother and daughter will share together.